Nandip Academy, India's top coaching institution for civil services preparation. Join us online to get most enriching experience from best faculty with excellent notes and specially designed courses. To join the batch, download Nandip IAS Academy app from Google Play Store. For more information, contact 9511 280 465.
Hello friends, welcome you all to Nandip Academy's Daily Answer Writing Challenge. Today's first question. The greater attention and investment in nutrition and water. Now this word is important. Nutrition and water. Sanitation and hygiene is a sure shot way of bolstering India's nutritional status. Explain. Very interesting question. And these are the questions, or these are the types of questions which are being recently asked by UPSC. UPSC do not ask technical questions. So here first you have to understand what is being asked and how to write the answer. So let's go for it. What is locus? India's current nutritional status is the locus. Where we stand, what is the condition of infant, kids, children's, mothers, malnourished. So this is the nutritional status, as well as obese kids. And what all these things are causing into the health problems of all these people is the locus. Nutritional status is the locus, and focus accelerating or improving India's nutritional status through greater attention and investment in two important components. What are those two important components that we have seen here? See, first, nutrition and water must be first focus point, and second, sanitation and hygiene should be second focus point. So we have to focus on these two important aspects. We have to accelerate investment, as well as we have to focus more and more attention on these two dimensions to have development in India's nutritional status. So this is very interesting question, and for these kinds of question you should have data, you should have information. So how you are going to move forward with these questions? Let's go for it. Start with giving a small factual data which every one of you have. Since you are reading newspaper for a longer time period, you are reading Yojana and you are reading Kurukshetra. So you should have data about the status of India in terms of malnutrition, in terms of stunting and dwarfness, in terms of anemia and other problem. Also the data about infant mortality rate, maternal mortality rate, child mortality rate due to nutritional issues. So your answer should begin with these issues. Your answer should begin with these parts, because this shows you have understood the question. Do not write what is nutrition, what is water, what is sanitation, what is hygiene. This is not asked. Straight away your answer should start with the first paragraph giving India's status, India's factual data about these issues. Then how you can improve on this particular situation? First, by focusing on nutrition and water. So you have to write what various measures you are going to take in terms of investment, in terms of government policies, in terms of government programs. So here you have to take examples of certain recent government schemes, World Bank scheme, international schemes, also certain private sector initiatives, civil society initiatives, where they worked on this nutrition and water, and they worked on sanitation and hygiene, and how focusing on these situation will help us in improving India's nutritional status. You have to write. These two sections should be given a separate focus with what we are going to do in these sections separately in the terms we have discussed, or I have discussed just few minutes back. This is the way to write answer. Definitely you will score very good marks if you are going in this manner. Question number 2, very interesting. The current pandemic forced us to rethink how air quality, climate are linked to the spread of infections diseases such as COVID-19. It means they are not talking about COVID-19 only, but they are talking about infectious diseases like COVID-19 which are linked with air quality and climate. So they are focusing on this. Explain above statement and also suggest measures how to tackle it. Now, locus is about air quality and pandemic. So this is the locus. Link between air quality and climate and pandemic or infectious diseases is the locus. Focus. Relationship between poor air quality and spread of rapid pandemic, and how we can take various measures to tackle it. So your answer should be divided into these two parts. First, explaining locus. Second, measures taken. Begin your answer by giving this particular link along with the examples. Poor air quality, how it affects the lungs, how it causes diseases, specifically corona, more mortality, more spread, along with give examples of metro cities like Mumbai, Pune, then various major cities which were affected by this poor air quality, as they have problems of pollution, they have problems of industrialization, motor vehicular pollution, all these things. Examples is Pune, Delhi, Mumbai and other metro cities. Enlist factors other than poor air quality which are responsible for spread of pandemic. But here your main focus should be focused on poor air quality and climate due to this poor air quality. Then explain that above relationship. Measures should be given in twofold. Whatever measures you are going to work for, these should be twofold, two types. First, working on poor air quality, working on health infrastructure. It means only working on poor air quality is not going to give us result. Also, we have to work on health infrastructure, so that if we work on these two angles in a rapid manner, we will get more and more good results. So, working on poor air quality and working on health infrastructure should be the basic criteria. So that's all from my side. Keep watching these videos and sharing with your friends. Thank you. Have a good day.
Gnandip Academy, India's top coaching institution for civil services preparation. Join us online to get most enriching experience from best faculty with excellent notes and specially designed courses. To join the batch, download Gnandip IAS Academy app from Google Play Store. For more information, contact 9511 280 465.